Hair looks alright today.
Yeah.
You look good too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
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 Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. Oh. It's 9 a.m. We're gonna go get some coffee. It's freezing outside. It's not freezing, it's like 48 degrees, but we're in Florida, so that's really cold. It's Saturday. I'm gonna make a Saturday in my life vlog because I think today will be fun. We don't have any like crazy plans, but we're kind of like free for the whole day, and then we have a bonfire at night, so we'll probably do some interesting things, hopefully. Yeah, first things first, we need to go get some coffee.
Ten out of 10 guys.
Let's go. Let's get on the bike. Come on. Get on my bike.
Okay, we just got back from the beach and now we're gonna go to Target, right? We're gonna go to Target. Target, I need to get some things for the house. I want to decorate our room and our like living room a little bit better, so hopefully we can find some stuff at Target. I'm like crouching down to talk to the camera right now, but I'm gonna make a drink. This is a poppy, the ginger lime flavor, which I've said that this is my favorite, but I think that I changed my mind and I like cherry lime. I think is my favorite now, but anyway.
Chipotle chicken wrap.
A grilled chicken wrap.
A grilled chicken wrap. Another spicy chicken sandwich meal.
Yep.
There you go.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Burrito.
Lunchtime. Do you want to watch a movie?
Yeah.
I just took a nap and I woke up with my sunglasses on my sweater. It's like 3:30 and I need to like wake up, so I want to make a coffee. I got this almond milk because someone said I should get it. I normally just do like regular milk in my coffees. Ice. Second step, vanilla. I'm almost out. Third, this almond milk. I got a different kind of Nespresso pod, so I'm gonna try this. This is a double espresso. I normally just do the single ones, but I'm feeling lazy right now, so let's try a double. I'm gonna put some cinnamon in it. I'm My curtains came in for my room. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna hang those now. Last step is a glass straw. It makes it better, promise. I still prefer regular milk over this milk, but I don't really know the pros of this. All I know are the cons. It's $7 and it's not as good as regular milk, so I'll probably be sticking to regular milk. Moment of truth.
Prince decor. They're here.
Yeah. Okay, I just got dressed. We're going to a bonfire on the beach and it is so cold outside. So I had to break out a beanie and a scarf. And then I have a couple shirts on under this sweater, my Uggs, and then I'm gonna throw on one of Oakley's big jackets. Hopefully this keeps me warm. Made an apple. Oh, my lipstick's on it. It's kind of cute. Also, we got a toaster today. How exciting.